Think and Grow Rich is one of the most influential self-help books ever written, published in 1937. Based on Hill's interviews with over 500 of the most successful people of his time, including Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, and Thomas Edison, it outlines a philosophy of success built on principles of persistence, desire, and a definitive plan of action. Hill's central premise is that success is a result of focused thought and organized effort. Overview of key themes. 1. Definiteness of purpose. Success begins with a clear and burning desire for a specific goal. 2. Faith and belief. Believing in your ability to achieve your goal is crucial for turning thoughts into reality. 3. Persistence. Sustained effort over time is key to overcoming obstacles. 4. Mastermind group. Collaboration with like-minded individuals amplifies creativity and support. 5. The subconscious mind. Training the subconscious with positive thoughts is essential for aligning your actions with your goals. Hill's 13 principles for success form the foundation of the book, which is structured around a step-by-step guide to wealth and personal fulfillment. Chapter-by-chapter summary. Introduction. The power of thought. Hill begins by asserting that thoughts are things. He explains that every achievement begins as an idea, and the quality of one's thoughts determines the quality of one's life. Using the story of Edwin C. Barnes, who partnered with Thomas Edison despite starting with no resources, Hill emphasizes the transformative power of a definite desire combined with persistence. Chapter 1. Desire, the starting point of all achievement. Hill asserts that desire is the foundation of all success. A vague wish or hope is insufficient, the desire must be definite and burning. He outlines 6 practical steps to turn desire into reality. 1. Define your specific financial goal. 2. Determine what you will give in return for achieving it. 3. Set a definite date for achieving your goal. 4. Create a clear plan and take action immediately. 5. Write a concise statement summarizing the above points. 6. Read your statement aloud twice daily, with emotion and belief. Hill stresses the importance of persistence and emotional investment in fueling one's desire. Chapter 2. Faith, Visualization and Belief in Attainment. Faith is the foundation for transforming thought into reality. Hill explains how faith can be cultivated through repeated affirmations and visualization. He introduces the concept of autosuggestion, which involves consciously feeding positive thoughts to the subconscious mind. Key takeaways. Faith and belief are developed through practice, not inherent traits. Visualization of success creates a mental image that attracts corresponding opportunities and actions. Chapter 3. Autosuggestion, the medium for influencing the subconscious mind. Autosuggestion is the tool for reprogramming the subconscious mind. Hill emphasizes the importance of repeating affirmations with emotion and conviction. By doing so, the subconscious mind aligns with the conscious goals. Steps for effective autosuggestion. 1. Repeat affirmations daily. 2. Combine affirmations with visualization. 3. Avoid negative influences that contradict your goals. Chapter 4. Specialized knowledge, personal experience or observations. Hill highlights the importance of acquiring specialized knowledge relevant to your goals. General knowledge alone is insufficient. Success requires the practical application of specific skills. Action steps. 1. Continuously seek education and self-improvement. 2. Collaborate with experts or mentors who possess specialized knowledge. 3. Use acquired knowledge to create practical, actionable plans. Hill warns against relying solely on formal education, emphasizing lifelong learning. Chapter 5. Imagination, the workshop of the mind. Imagination is the tool for turning ideas into actionable plans. Hill distinguishes between 2 types of imagination. 1. Synthetic imagination, rearranging existing ideas into new concepts. 2. Creative imagination, generating entirely new ideas, often inspired by intuition or inspiration. Application. Use imagination to visualize success. Brainstorm innovative ways to achieve your goals. Chapter 6. Organized planning, the crystallization of desire into action. A well-organized plan is essential for achieving success. Hill provides the following steps. 1. Form a mastermind group of individuals with complementary skills. 2. Clearly define your plan and distribute tasks among team members. 3. Take decisive action immediately and adjust plans as needed. He stresses that failure often results from poor planning and a lack of persistence. Chapter 7, Decision, the Mastery of Procrastination. Hill identifies decisiveness as a hallmark of successful people. He encourages readers to avoid procrastination by making decisions quickly. Remain committed to decisions despite external opposition or criticism. The fear of criticism is a common barrier to decision-making, but Hill asserts that courage and conviction are essential. Chapter 8, Persistence, Sustained Effort Necessary to Induce Faith. Persistence is the antidote to failure. Hill outlines a 4-step formula for developing persistence. 1. A definite purpose backed by burning desire. 2. A specific plan for achieving the goal. 3. A mind closed to negativity and doubt. 4. Alliances with supportive individuals. He emphasizes that persistence transforms temporary defeat into success. Chapter 9, The Mastermind, the Driving Force. The mastermind group is a critical element of Hill's philosophy. This group consists of trusted advisors and collaborators who offer support, guidance, and constructive feedback. Benefits of a mastermind group. Enhanced creativity through collaboration. Access to collective knowledge and experience. Emotional and moral support. Chapter 10, The Mystery of Sex Transmutation. Hill introduces the concept of sex transmutation, which involves redirecting sexual energy toward creative and productive goals. He argues that this powerful energy, when channeled correctly, enhances focus, drive, and achievement. Chapter 11, The Subconscious Mind, the Connecting Link. The subconscious mind is the bridge between thought and reality. Hill explains that the subconscious acts as a filter, attracting circumstances and opportunities that align with dominant thoughts. Action steps. Consistently feed positive thoughts to the subconscious. Eliminate negative thoughts that sabotage progress. Chapter 12, The Brain, a broadcasting and receiving station for thought. Hill describes the brain as a broadcasting station that sends and receives thoughts. He suggests that thoughts are powerful vibrations that can attract like-minded people and circumstances. Key insight. Positive and focused thoughts broadcast a frequency that aligns with success. Chapter 13, The Sixth Sense, the Door to the Temple of Wisdom. The sixth sense, according to Hill, is a form of intuition that emerges after mastering the previous principles. It provides guidance and inspiration in making decisions and seizing opportunities. Hill describes it as a culmination of all the principles, a heightened awareness that results from persistent effort and focus. Final chapter, Outwitting the Six Hosts of Fear. Hill concludes by addressing the 6 basic fears that often hold people back. 1. Fear of poverty. 2. Fear of criticism. 3. Fear of ill health. 4. Fear of loss of love. 5. Fear of old age. 6. Fear of death. He advises readers to confront and overcome these fears through self-awareness, positive thinking, and decisive action. Expanded analysis and applications. The role of the mind in success. Hill's philosophy is deeply rooted in the power of the mind. He emphasizes that success begins with thought, and disciplined mental habits are key to achieving goals. The use of visualization, affirmation, and emotional investment underscores the importance of aligning thoughts with actions. Universal applicability. The principles in Think and Grow Rich extend beyond financial success. They can be applied to personal relationships, career advancement, and self-improvement. Hill's focus on persistence, collaboration, and a clear sense of purpose makes the book a timeless guide for achieving any aspiration. Criticism and limitations. Some critics argue that Hill's emphasis on thought as the primary driver of success overlooks external factors such as privilege, systemic barriers, and luck. While the principles are powerful, they must be balanced with practical considerations. This summary provides a detailed foundation for Hill's principles. If you'd like to expand on specific chapters or themes, let me know.